Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we did a rough country 3.5-inch lift with some nice Venom tires, some nice wheels here. And I tell you, this came out really nice. I like this 3.5-inch lift because it's tall enough where you can see the difference, but it's not so tall where you can't use the bed. So if you have to get in the bed, you can. Now these are going to be, these are some good sized tires. Normally with 3.5-inch lift, I'll do 33s. I did suggest to the customer we maybe go with the 35s. I probably should have thought it through because there's a little bit more trimming involved, but if you look here, we did trim around here, but look how you can see how nice and clean it is. So you would never know otherwise. We got in there. Now if you want to get in there with the camera, you can see we got the red control arm, and these are the struts with the upgraded shocks as well. And it's a great setup in there. Super clean. It's a good street lift, and these are the upgraded shocks, so you can do some light off-roading. You know, you don't want to go high. But I tell you, it's a great look here. I mean, Buddy, if you want to swing around here and get it all here, and Buddy is, you know, one of the guys that worked on it. We all kind of had our hand on this, so we all did a little bit something on here. It's a sharp look. I do like them coming out a little bit. It just gives it a little tougher look as well, but it's not that far out. So I think this is going to be a great setup for the guest. It's a little taller, but again, you know, when you get a truck, that's part of owning a truck. You want to, you want a little beefier look. So, and I tell you, this 3.5-inch, I got a 6-inch lift of mine, and it's not that much difference between the two, you know. So, again, this is a GMC Sierra, and of course it's the Turbo Max. Now this is the 4x4, so it is sitting a little hard because it's 4x4. Now if you like anything you see here, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here and let us do the installation for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and don't forget, like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.